Hello. Over the next 7 weeks, I'm going to be sharing with you the details of the 7 archetypes that I have developed based on ancient indigenous wisdom for the modern world. And we will be exploring all those aspects of yourself, from the seed sower, that aspect of you that creates the ideas, alchemist, the one that makes the impossible possible, the action inside you, the storyteller who shares the information, shares the news, perhaps on social media as we're in the modern world, the medicine woman who makes sure that your inner and outer selves, the mind, the body, the spirit, the emotions are in alignment and healthy, the sky dancer who is the tantric connector, the networker, the relationship builder, the partnership builder, the space weaver, the creative side of ourselves, which we'll be exploring at my women's gathering through goddess paintings and writing our sacred story, and we will also be looking at the vision keeper who holds the vision and makes sure it's in alignment with our values and our true sense of purpose. So do join me over the next 7 weeks. And if you're near, or even if you're not, come to Somerset, end of August, and join me at the Earth Spirit Centre just outside Glastonbury. You can find out more on my website, which is lynnefranks.com, and you can book your place by writing to me at info@lynnefranks.com. So see you there.